Here's my work area to keep out of the cold outside when it's snowing. Kind of resembles a corner of a medieval castle. It's a old entranceway in a Victorian house at the ground floor. And now my bow is at the stage where I'm using a sanding block and rounding it up, truing it up, all by eye. I've got no yardstick, no scale, no tools of any kind except simply visualizing it and using an old piece of wood and a piece of sandpaper to work my way from one end to the other, making it straight and true. And this bow is right now 158 pounds at 32 inches. I just put it on the scale outside, which is pretty darn strong. And these side nocks, as small as they are, they actually work very well. I never imagined they would work so well.